guys.
Hi, my name's Pamela.
She's a new, she's not a new coworker, but she is the first time being on my video.
Nice.
And you guys know Andrea. I'm so glad we have like a little group thing going on. Here did like a group thing review. Now I saw these at Whole Foods. These are called the Ethel Pecan Dandy bars. There's 3 in a pack. When I saw this, it was kind of expensive, like $10, but it looked, I love pecans. And
it's big.
It looks good.
Smell it.
Ooh, brown sugary.
It's so big.
They are pretty big.
Yeah, there's a close up on what it looks like.
Ooh, it looks like a little pecan pie square.
And then the back of it.
Little pie crust.
Have some and
Thank you.
Do a review and let you know how it tastes and.
Thank you, pal.
And yeah, so.
It's very soft.
We'll do one more some now. Smile.
She didn't already.
Smile. Okay, now we're gonna have one bite and see how it tastes.
So good. It's good. It tastes like chicken.
Oh,
Really?
I think it tastes like pecan pie.
This is very good and rich.
It does.
It is rich.
Yeah.
It's really moist too. There's the caramel on the inside, if you can kind of see it.
The bottom part's really good too. It's like a really nice.
Very rich.
It is rich.
Yeah, it is. Pecan dandy bars.
How many calories?
That's a good question. 240 calories. Oh, and it actually says the serving size is only half of 1 bar. So that might explain the richness in it.
Really?
Serving size is half a bar.
It's a very fresh tasting pecan bar. It's not like a package you get at a store. It's very fresh.
It does taste real fresh.
So it's
nice
from
and moist.
Ethel's Baking Company. So I'm assuming they're in the Bay Area. I'm not sure. But,
Ethel's Baking, St. Clair Shores, Michigan.
Oh, Michigan. Okay.
Oh,
Michigan.
Oh, that came a ways. This is really delicious.
That's real good. Yeah. Very, very moist.
And the pecans are very fresh.
Very fresh. Wow.
Very good.
Hormone-free butter, everybody.
Oh,
That's good.
nice.
Cage-free eggs. So gluten-free. Well, it's not vegan, is it? I don't know with the eggs or whatever. But gluten-free, non-GMO, healthy, and good. It's good and it's good for you.
Right.
And what you over there cracking open?
I thought we'd celebrate the New Year a little bit.
Oh!
Apple cider and some raspberries.
Ooh, fancy.
Wow.
Happy New Year's, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Oh, all right. We got a little champagne to go with our little dessert here. Ew.
That sounds good.
That's the drink goddess, everybody.
Yeah, I'm the drink goddess here to
Drink
save the
goddess.
day. But of course, we're at work, so it's non-alcohol.
Yes.
Yeah.
Important.
So I'm gonna let you guys grab your own raspberries,
She's adding raspberries to the cup.
Razzle dazzle.
and I'm gonna pour a little bit of this on top.
This is what she was doing.
Ooh.
Okay, I have to describe.
Right. I'm gonna have to touch a little bit.
It's, you know.
Raspberry
it
is so good for you.
Good and good for you.
Apple cider.
Ooh, we can do a little New Year's
I never
toast.
had a raspberry with, I never had this with raspberries before, have you?
I know they have it with, what is that, ginger ale maybe?
Oh, yeah, they do have the ginger ale.
Or champagne. Yeah.
Oh, how cute.
It's cute.
And let's cheers.
Yes, let's
Happy
cheers.
New Year, let's all
Happy
prosper.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Prosper, definitely.
Prosperous New Year's. Yes. Oh, that's pretty tasty.
It's good.
Oh,
That's pretty tasty.
that raspberry up later.
Mrs. Drink Goddess.
Blondes have more fun.
Yeah, it's a nice little compliment. Why, thank you.
Yes.
Yes, very
And
great.
thank you for inviting me to.
Yeah.
I
I thought you were camera shy.
no, I'm not shy.
I just didn't think you want to be in the camera, like social media.
No, I'm not shy at all.
Yeah.
So you would be okay with another video?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
All right, awesome.
Thanks for
guys.
inviting me to the review.
You're
right?
welcome. Now
Hey.
let's rate it, guys. What would you rate this?
Let me
I
have
rated
another
about
bite.
5. Well, yeah, let me take another.
Take another bite.
Yeah, that's a 5. It's very, very rich, very moist. Tastes very fresh. Times very chewy and soft.
It's very fresh tasting. Very fresh.
I'll rate it a 7.
That's real good.
7 out of 5. Okay, I'll rate it 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. It's really good. It's very moist too. Kind of chewy and pecan.
Ethel's, huh?
Pecan stuff's fresh.
It's from Ethel's.
Yeah, that's the company name.
And who's the gal on the inside?
Oh, maybe that's Miss Ethel.
There's a picture inside.
Oh, it's the grandmother. Ethel St. John. See on the inside, it's got a picture of Miss Ethel.
Is that nice?
Paid homage to the grandmother. That's nice.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Well,
Well, you gotta go back to work, so we're gonna end the video. She's like, whoa, like, she's probably late. Sorry, I hope
it's okay.
you don't get in trouble.
It was worth it.
It was? Oh,
Yeah,
Yes,
this
it
was
was.
good.
okay.
It was so nice. And I'm on my break.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm on break too.
I'm legal.
I'm on break in case anyone from
I'm on break too.
No. Turn off the clock.
Oh my god, you're hella funny. Oh yeah, I'm on a break. Oh my god, it's hilarious. We're in the video. And we'll catch you in the next video, guys.
Peace.
220.
2020.
2020.
Alright.
Say, happy
Hair.
2020. Don't scare me.
Oh my god, it's hilarious.
That's mean, Lee. That is so mean.
That could be the
I like, oh my god. I'm
Oh
like,
my